everyone, this is Suhani Khanna and I'm back. This is off the record. So what it actually stands for? जब हम फाउंडर्स से पॉडकास्ट पर बात करते हैं तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वो अपनी जर्नी तो शेयर कर ही रहे हैं बट दे आर ऑन द कैमरा and they are very particular that what they have to share with the camera and to the live audience and what they have to share with me. So जब कैमरा पे बात हो रही होती है, they are sharing their journeys. Of course, हम कितनी बार अपने इंसिडेंट्स बताते हुए हमें कुछ पुरानी चीजें याद आ जाती है, हमें कितनी बार कुछ और चीजें याद आ जाती है, राइट? बट लाइक विद दीज फाउंडर्स, इनको भी बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स, इनको भी बहुत सारी नई नई चीजें याद आती रहती है that they have actually experienced back in the time 10 years back, 15 years back, whilst they were building their own thing, or when they chose to actually quit their own business, या फिर जब they got married, how their family supported their business. So here are few stories that I'm sharing with you guys that have to be very of importance, I would say, and most importantly personal. Honestly, these were very personal stories and these are very important for anybody who is planning to build something of their own in today's time, especially in India. If you are planning to start your own business in India and if you're planning to do something of your own here, these stories are super important and you should be very careful if this happens with you. So let's get right into it. So the first story is my favorite. Okay, so this is one of our brands that I've actually worked with when I was at internship. So I used to work with this company that actually highlighted all the startups and stuff, but it was some other way. It was more of a written media, right? So it was a printed media type thing, and I was supposed to connect with all the founders and I was supposed to connect with these business owners. I used to sit with them. I used to write that what happened in their life and stuff. So I met this company, this founder at that time. So when I started the Founders Times, I reached out to them that, hey, we have this brand and that if you're interested, we should do something. And I remember your brand is super creative, it's super fun. So let's do something about it and let's get you on podcast. So these were the two people actually who came for the podcast and they were the sweetest people. I'm not going to give you a lot of relations and stuff that who came with who, because that is a major giveaway of these stories and I do not want to ruin any of it. So this is an anonymous story that I'm going to share with you that have actually happened with an Indian founder who has been in business for around 25 years now. So what actually happened with them was this founder started more of, not a non-profitable organization, but an organization that gave access to people who do not have access to a lot of things, right? Opportunities to people who are who can be skilled but are not because of the lack of resources and whatsoever. So they started something around that and it failed miserably and they went in loss of around 15 crores. And that is a phase that every founder, anybody would actually have thoughts of ending things in their life or is a major loss and they might not have the courage of starting something of their own again. They might go back to corporate 9 to 5. They go for security because the most uncertain thing has happened to them, right? But they didn't. In fact, they chose to rise from it. And this rise is beyond expression, words, experiences. And it just gave me so much hope when I listened to this story. Like, I remember when it was delivered to me. I was sitting down for the podcast. We did our podcast. The entire conversation was fun. I remember the person who I was sitting down with the podcast for. I could see the teary eyes in that person's eyes, and I just felt, oh my God, the podcast was amazing. Like I was able to capture the emotion. And I was very happy about it. Only if I could tell you the podcast so that you guys can go and see which podcast I'm referring to right now. But I cannot because it's a very personal story, right? So I wish. But as I mentioned, though, these people were sweetest and the kindest people. So I just said cut. The podcast was over. And the person who was sitting right in front of us, the person who associated the one who came for the interview, he rose and he said, "Thank you so much, Suhani, for this podcast, but I actually want to mention something about our business. मैंने कहा, yeah, sure, do tell me what is it. And the person didn't want to come on the podcast. He just wanted the other one to sit down for it and highlight the business. So that's completely fine. We do not force founders to come here because we need the story. And I know some stories can be delivered the way it is lived. But again, we won't push somebody or force somebody to come on the page just for us to reach our level of niche. I'll be honest, because at the end of the day it was a founder only whom we were speaking with. So either of the founders, right? So now when I was speaking with this founder, he rose and oops, I said we'll cut it. So I was speaking with this founder, and they said that, so Hani, I need to tell you something that was not mentioned in the podcast. So I was like, do you want to come and sit and we can record you as well? It's completely fine. So they said, no, I just want to tell you this because this is not for the camera. Okay. So when they spoke with me, they said that I lost 15 crores and I was very depressed. I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I knew that I want to do something of my own. And I was like, that's amazing, that's great, like that's great inspiration. So the person said that I knew that I have to do something of my own. So I said, that's amazing, but then what did you do? Like, this is like the second venture that you've started? And that person said, yes, this is second venture. And you won't believe how I started. So the significant other that came with that person said, gave a certain amount to them or some significant things that could be sold. And those were very valuable in terms of memories, in terms of emotions, in terms of money. They were very valuable and they were sold. And in order for that person to start something of their own, and when they chose to do that, they recovered 2 crores in that financial year of starting the business. And I was in complete awe because it showed how much of, passion they had to start something of their own, how much drive they had to start something of their own, how much inspiring they both were towards each other, how much supportive they both were towards each other. And if you are running a business, risks, losses are part of it. You have to be very, very aware of what you're doing and what you're getting yourself into. And you have to be accepting of it. But instead of going crazy about it, that, oh my God, I suffered a loss, oh my God, I lost this, I lost that, you have to gather yourself together and understand, how can I make this better? How can I improve this? How can I make this thing that actually went completely wrong with this? And that can be completely done only if you have the right support. That's what it said. No, in entrepreneurship, it is very lonely. It is super lonely. Trust me. But if you have the right kind of people around you, if you have the right kind of support, you will obviously come out of it and you'll do wonders. And this is one of the stories that just I thought that I should share. And it is nothing compared to what's coming next. Until then, there are a lot of things that are aligned on our Instagram page. Do follow us on our Instagram page and on Spotify as well, where we share all the podcasts and off the record now in audio format. We have our website as well, where you guys can go and read the articles about those founders if you have a reading habit and if you prefer written material more than a video content. So as per your pace, you can go there and you can read that. So do subscribe, do like this video if you found it interesting, if you found something that could be very deep to your heart as well. It's an inspiration that, there is a different perspective towards failure, and you never know if you become a phoenix and you rise from it. So until next time.